So it's been a hot minute since I've actually traveled. You know, COVID and everything, got wearing masks, but I got a special thing going on right now. As you can see, they're actually working on the airport right behind me, but let's have some fun. Here's the thing, I haven't traveled since COVID. First time I've been in an airport in months. Gotta wear the mask and everything. And you're probably wondering why I'm in an airport. Well, I have an exciting announcement to make, but I can't do it right now, but I'm gonna share here in a second. But I guess I need to get on this plane first and find out where I'm going. Okay, so I'm remembering how much I don't enjoy traveling. Sure, yeah, if I'm traveling to go on stay on a beach or sit by a pool, drinking some umbrella drinks, hanging out with my wife, that's one thing, right? But traveling on business, like, yeah, okay, I miss my family, I miss my wife, I miss my puppies, I miss my bed, but I am grateful because I am traveling on business, and yes, I am getting paid. And that's what makes this trip especially fun, because I am getting paid, and it's not the fact I'm getting paid, but it's what I'm getting paid for. See, tomorrow I'm actually doing a commercial shoot. That's right, I'm actually in a video shoot for a commercial with a big brand that I can't wait to share, and I am super pumped. But the crazy thing is like how it all ties in with my online business, with my blog. And I'll have to share how it all ties in on another day. But it's just a reminder that when you start something, you just don't know the ripple effect it's going to have. But tomorrow I have this video shoot for a commercial, and actually, I think it's 3 commercials. I actually have to check the email to verify. But all of this came because I decided to start my blog, goodfinancialsense.com, and it's crazy what has happened ever since. I've been on a few video shoots before. I actually took you somewhat behind the scenes on a previous shoot if you are a early subscriber to the channel, where I went to New York to do a video shoot with Synchrony Bank. But tomorrow I think I got a pretty decent early call time. It's 9 a.m. So thankfully I'm gonna get some sleep tonight. I did lose an hour because I'm on the East Coast, but I gotta figure out what am I gonna wear tomorrow, get my outfits ready to go, and I'm gonna bring you behind the scenes on what it looks like to do a commercial video shoot. But that only happens in the morning. Right now I gotta get some sleep, so I'm gonna see you in the morning. All right, top of the morning to you. It is the next day. I am ready for my video shoot. I had a little breakfast of a protein bar and some trail mix. I'm getting packed up. Got the first outfit of the day. I'm gonna reply to some emails. Before I go, I think my ride's gonna be here in about 45 minutes, but I am ready to rock this video shoot. I'm gonna see you over at the studio. All right, so we are 2 commercials in. Got 1 more to go. Getting the lighting figured out. I actually feel like I'm losing my voice already. All I'm doing is reading from a teleprompter. So I'm having a good time. Lunch is getting ready to happen. These guys are making me look good. Okay, so we have finished 2 commercials. I've got 1 more to go. I don't know if you can tell, but like anytime like I'm doing YouTube videos, reading from a teleprompter, like my voice starts to give. I'm definitely not gonna be on American Idol anytime soon, so don't worry about that. Overall though, like this has actually been really fun. It's been super easy. This one's gonna be fun because I think they have some props that they're gonna throw at me and I have to wear a robe. And trust me, this is not a giveaway to what this commercial shoot is for. But yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this one. So I'm at the airport, it's a wrap, videos are done, commercials are shot, heading home. I totally forgot that I'm East Coast. I thought I got the airport had 2 hours to kill, but no, I got 3 hours to kill. So I'm gonna get some work done, I'm gonna get something to eat, I'm gonna journal some, just kind of reflect on this time. So you're probably wondering who the commercials is with, and I'll have more on that here in a second. But first, I wanna get home. I wanna get home, see my family, and then we'll talk about that more. All right, so I am back. It wasn't the quickest trip that I've ever done. It was pretty quick, and any trip is exhausting, but coming back home, the grind of putting your kids to bed, kids to school, all that fun stuff. But as I mentioned, the crazy thing about this opportunity is that this all came from me starting my blog, goodfinancialsense.com. And I shared in a previous video where I talk about how I feel that starting a blog is far greater than getting your MBA. And really this whole experience just fully supports that, because it truly is crazy on how many opportunities that have come from my blog, either directly or indirectly. But just having an online presence and then networking, just making connections with people that you didn't even know existed until you started marketing yourself online. And really, like, this is just another example. Now, I'm not 100% sure on when the commercials are going live. I think it's sometime before the end of the year, possibly into the new year. And I know that I mentioned that I wanted to share who it is, like who is the brand that I'm working with, but unfortunately I can't share right now. Oh man! There's the whole like NDA, non-disclosure agreement, but they basically just don't want to reveal it until it goes live. But I assure you that once it does go live, you will be one of the first ones to know who it is. But I can say that it is a brand that I'm pumped. I am pumped to be working with them. And the cool thing is that I do not think this is a one-off opportunity. I think this is something that we'll be working together for the years to come. And this is really just one of those pinch me, one of those moments like just pinch me, because like, did this happen? Is this happening? It's awesome, and I am so pumped. And I'm pumped that you got to come along behind the scenes to see how a national television is filmed. Like, it was kind of fun for me to see, because I didn't know. I found out right along with you. So I'm glad that you were along for the ride. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Jeff Rose reminding you that it's your money, it's your life, and only you can make it awesome. Until next time, peace.